Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide your Facebook profile. Open the Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your cell phone. Log into your account if you haven't already. Adjust privacy settings. Tap the menu icon, three horizontal lines located in the top right corner for Android or bottom right corner for iOS. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Settings. Customize your privacy. Tap Privacy Checkup under the Privacy section. Go through the following privacy options. Who can see your future post? Set to only me or friends. Limit past post visibility. Change to friends or only me. Who can look you up using the email address or phone number? Set to only me. Do you want the search engines to link to your profile? Turn this option off. Lock your profile if available. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Tap the three dots next to Edit Profile. Look for the Lock Profile option and tap it. Confirm by selecting Lock Your Profile. Note, locking your profile makes your post, profile picture, and information visible only to friends. This feature may not be available in all regions. Deactivate your account, optional. Go back to Settings. Tap Access and Control under the Your Information section. Select Deactivation and Deletion. Choose Deactivate Account and follow the instructions. Note, this hides your profile entirely from others, but you can reactivate it by logging back in. And that's everything you need to know about how to hide your Facebook profile. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.